Hi, I'm Jill from Grown Up Dish. Now that the weather's finally warming up, I'm gonna make some decaf cold brew at home. Now you don't have to make it decaf. You can use whatever beans you want, but it's really hard to find decaf cold brew at any coffee stores because they don't make it. So I like to make mine at home. Only 2 ingredients, coarsely ground coffee. This is the Starbucks espresso roast. I use this dandy little OXO cold brew maker. And you need 1.5 cups of coffee. Don't have to be that exact. 1 cup. And 1 quart of water. And what I like about this OXO is the lid filters the water as it goes through and helps it distribute evenly. 1 quart of water, and then we're gonna wait 24 hours. 24 hours later, our cold brew's been sitting here and we're gonna drain it, and all we do is push this down and it will drain into this container. Follow Grown Up Dish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.